Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Realme Buds Q2s. So to do this you have to input the left and also the right earbud inside the charging case. There we go. And right now we have to click and hold on the left and the right for at least 10 seconds. And also after the reset this connection will disappear. We will be not connected anymore. And when I try to connect with this connection, I will have the new pairing request, and it will means that we successfully performed the reset. Also, before the reset, you have to remember to charge your earbuds for like 10 minutes by using this USB-C port. So let's start with this reset action. Click and hold both earbuds. Take a look for the indicator. Currently, it's on the green. As you can see right now we are not connected anymore, so it's time to release these buttons and then close the case for a few seconds. Now just open it and we can try to remove both earbuds from the case. There we go. Right now when I try to tap on the Realme Buds Q2s, as you can see they disappear from the list and we got the new pairing request. So it means that we successfully performed the hard reset. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.